How to use AI for research. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to search for Perplexity and you can find it on Google quite easily, and open up the very first link that you will see in the search results, and this way you will be able to open up this page. Just sign up using your Gmail ID and it is quite easy. After you sign up for Perplexity, this is how it will appear. It is basically the search engine just like Google, but more accurate and more customized, and this is a better version of Google actually. So over here, this is where you have to search for your research, whatever you are searching for, and right below it you would be able to find the option of focus. Simply click on it and now check out where you want to take your research to. If you want to research from YouTube, you can select the option of YouTube, and you can similarly go with Reddit or Wolfram Alpha, or you can also go with the academic. In academic section, you would be able to search for the academic papers which has published earlier and they are there on the internet. You would be able to search for them quite easily. So let's try this option out. For this, simply select this option, and here you need to ask what kind of research that you are into. And suppose you are searching for economic inflation theories, simply select it or type it and hit enter, and you would be getting all the answers related to this particular research. And you would not just be getting the answers, but you would also be getting the sources of this particular research. So you can also click on these sources and check out what's there and all sort of details related to that particular source, and you can dig deeper into that particular research. And here you can also check the related options, and if you want to ask for any follow-up question, you can simply type it over here and click enter, and this way you would be able to search for additional follow-up questions and you would be getting the answers just like ChatGPT, but this is more accurate and more real time. So this is the benefit of using AI for research purposes instead of going on Google, where you get to see different articles, blogs, and you have to select them manually and check out which one is good for you. So this AI will help you get all the sources, all the good sources for you, and you just have to read or go through these sources and read this in order to understand it in a better way. And in this Perplexity, you get 5 different pro features, like you get to search 5 different pro search per day if you have the free version, but if you have the paid version, then you can go with around 600 pro searches per day, and it reloads every 4 hours. So it gives you an edge over your research. If you are doing a better research, then you can turn the pro mode on and research for it. Also, if you have some certain documents, then you would be requiring the pro version in order to upload those documents and analyze them on Perplexity, and this way you would be able to make a better analysis of for your research. And I hope this particular video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.